So if you've chosen the Flipgrid option, let's go through some of the things that are required for the Flipgrid Constitution project. So you are going to be creating an instructional video. So that means you're actually creating a video, a teaching video, and you're going to be using images that you can be hand drawn. So you can do those on Google Draw. You'll be doing it on the 4 topics, either the Constitutional Convention or separation of powers, the 3 branches, or checks and balances, and the 5th topic is actually federalism. So your video should be at least 2 minutes and 30 seconds in length, and you must use the vocabulary words from the resource page. So that's real important. The resource page that's in your directions for the choice board. And you also want to use secondary sources such as diagrams or primary sources such as quotes to explain your work. So let's take a look how that might look. So I can begin by putting an image about my topic. So let's say I'm going to do the 3 branches of government. The next thing I need to do is explain about these 3 branches. So that means my next slides would be talking about the legislative branch, the next picture, and I want to go into detail about their powers, why we have the branches, and I could get a quote from perhaps James Madison about the 3 branches, or I could use other documents that we have used in class. So each one of these I have to explain in detail. I must also use the vocabulary words that were provided in the resource page. So using the vocabulary words, I need to choose wisely. What are the vocabulary words that actually apply to my topic? So if I was doing the 3 branches, obviously I'm going to be talking about the legislative, judicial, and executive branch in my video. I should also probably talk about the fact that there's powers, separation of powers, and James Madison proposed a separation of powers, thus making the 3 branches very different from each other. Next, I want to include pictures of each of the 3 branches, and I would use Pixabay. Pixabay is a real easy source of information for free pictures, so use those because you're not required to, you're not breaking any publishing or copyright rules. So you must also include secondary and primary sources. And those may become the screenshots you can use from our documents. I'll show you an example of one right here. So with this our primary and secondary source, the primary source is a quote from James Madison from the Federalist Papers. If I'm using this, I must also explain why I'm using it in the video, because remember, you are teaching somebody about the Constitution. So if I'm talking about the 3 branches, I could talk about how their powers are shared. Each of the 3 branches are shared. If your images come from other sources, then you must credit them, and I would do that at the end of your video. So you could say images from Pixabay, images from Creative Commons, images or resources, whatever the titles might be. You want to do that at the end of your video. So that's basically how you are going to do your Flipgrid Constitution story. Remember, you are the writer, you are the author, you are teaching somebody. It's like a tutorial video. So good luck.